I hear the beat. It's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I can
Sinong hindi ma-inlove dyan, guys? Oh, ang daming magagandang flowers here. At may box. Summer na talaga, guys. Kaka-inlove tong flower na to, oh. Diba? Bienvenido! Welcome! Welcome, bienvenido! Blue Falls Indigo Song. Okay, Blue Falls Indigo Song. That's it, guys. Wala pa si Sir Mike. So, we start eating. It's almost 6 o'clock here.
It is 6 o'clock,
Past 6 o'clock. Da-da-da-da.
Oh, sorry. We cut here.
We have rice here, guys. You can sit down there.
Yeah, that's right. Shh. Yeah, should be good enough.
Wala may pamahaw pa ni ko, guys. Panihapon na ni. Kaon rami ganina og pan. This is my chicken. So this is
Salad dressing.
your dressing.
Yeah.
2,000 years later.
We're done walking. Just a little walk only. Because alas 7 namin ang gawas, guys. 8 o'clock pala. 8 o'clock namin ang gawas. Because we're super busy earlier. And we do our grocery again. OMG, guys. You know what? My beans there is eating in the racon. Or in the squirrel. Try ta ani, guys. Is the piece. It's like what? This is made from London, my love.
It's Polish
As Polish.
from Poland.
From Poland. We'll see, guys. Let's eat, guys. Masarap ba ito? Super lucky, guys. Look at that. Look at this one. My goodness. There's a cherry inside. Right, my dad? Super pait.
2,000 years later.
Da-da-da-da. Let's eat pancit bihon, guys, with chicken. This is our breakfast and lunch. It called bronze. Dami, guys, no? Hanggang tomorrow na yan. Hanggang tomorrow na yan, guys. See? Okay, mga silingan, kain tayo ng pansit.
Wow.
Bihon. That, guys, it's look like the eyes of the tiger. That's the eyes of the salmon fish. He eat that, guys. OMG.
Ito masarap.
Okay, this is it. We're eating like a baboy. Di ta ni magwapa, guys. Oh, oh, see? Oh, jackfruit. Pomelo, papaya, apple, and melon. This one, the melon.
Yes, my baby. Are we still alive?
Husband is look like student, grade 7. Hello, dong. Asa bang kamo adto, dong? Where are you going, Dong?
Gusto ko to go to Davao.
Tomorrow, Dong. Don't worry, Dong. I give you plane ticket, Dong. What do you want?
Direct flight.
Direct flight from?
Winnipeg to Davao. Gusto kong the tickets na yon.
Ayun.
Walang alala.
Economy or special or
VIP set.
VIP? VIP seat. Oh, ang mga balay guys, nag-uniform sila. Uniform ng mga house dire guys.
For people.
How much that? 12.99. 999.
Favorite of Susie.
Yeah, sunflower.
Yeah.
Bibili tayo guys or not? 27. Open. We open at 9 a.m. Ang ganda naman laraw. Look at the price individual annual. 499 here. And look at the jar. Cute the jar. Cute naman din eh. Marami pa dito eh. Dami ito tadapol. Dami pala dito oh. Dami. How much is this? I love that one. How much is this? 899. 899. I love that. Shade and Nose Pack 499. May sounds man guys. Oh, may sabi na sila. Ang dalawa. Look at that. Oh, so cute. 26. Oh my god, so cute. Also this one, oh, it's look like Dizzy. It's not Dizzy. Cute, 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 cute. 599. I want this. And I want this one. Laki sila. So pretty the flower. Wala siyang rose. There's a lot of seeds. Price individual annual. 499 here. And look at the jar. Cute the jar. Cute naman din eh. Marami pa dito eh. Dami ito tadapol. Dami pala dito oh. Dami. How much is this? I love that one. How much is this? 899. 899. I love that. Shade and Nose Pack 499. You're here. Fresh. Fresh, fresh. Have the pomegranate here. Should we buy? 399 each. Okay guys, kung daghan kaayo mga mapilian nga breads. And I love this. Also this one. How about this, my dab? Oh, so big. Summer na gyud guys, kanang gawas na mga bulaklak din eh. My goodness guys, nakakainlab ang bulaklak. Look at that. Oh. Bienvenido, welcome. This is unique, Ashwati Pakli. Oh my god, this is unique. Gardenia. The rose. How much is it? $32. 33 almost guys. OMG, ang mahal ng rose. Oh my goodness. There's the grapes here. I tried to plant the grapes this summer. Raspberry. I tried to plant this one. Oh my goodness, there's Robok. Eat locals. Forecast confirm it's time to plant. The forecast confirm it time to plant. This is Robok. Also, I'm with my husband here. Sinong hindi ma-inlove dyan guys? Oh, ang daming magagandang flowers here. At may back. Summer na talaga guys. Kaka-inlove tong flower na to oh. Diba? Bienvenido. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Bienvenido. Blue Falls Indigo Song. Okay, Blue Falls Indigo Song. Here, exam. Look at that guys, they are already practicing for the game soon. Look
Pero ang landscape
at that letter. There's a lot of practicing here, the practice people. Da. Kasi nag-champion yan sila last 2 years ata. Kaya nag-practice na sila ngayon. Oh, may mga kids dyan. Mga dalagitahay. Pinay yata yung morena dyan. Oh. Ang dami pala ditong nagpa-practice. Ngayon lang namin alam. Lalala. Look at that. Oh, dami nila doon. Oh. Diba? Dami nila. Oh. Yan ang maganda kasi meron silang mapraktisan dito. Oh, tingnan niyo. Oh, dalawa lang sila. Papayat nila pero ang lalakas. Lalakas. They are very thin, my dad, but they are strong, right? Ganda nila. Ang galing nila. So magaling. I think he is a trainer.
Yeah, probably.
Oh. 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 Look at that, guys. Ang galing nila. Look at that, guys. Oh. Ala Richard Gomez yan, guys. Da-da-da-dang.
Masama, they would become professional.
How many people inside the yellow boat?
Masama, they would become
My dad.
professional.
I think it's 20 people.
At least 20 something.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. My God. Nag-practice na sila, guys. Para sa ilang championship soon. Oh my God. They are so fast. Sometimes there's you know the drum for the sound effect. And there's more there. Oh, the color red uniform. Oh my goodness. Ay, dun cover the house.
Maybe somebody died here.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Probably drawing in the water.
Yeah. We walk there? Chandos. I don't know where.
Yeah, we're gonna walk.
What street of that going?
Yeah, we're gonna go back. We're
Really?
gonna use the sidewalk here in the corner. Because we're gonna go home.
Yeah.
We need to go to Siam.
Laikalo, guys. Tumbok ani ng alkag na. Ay, ginoo ko. Akala nyo,
It's a good weather right now.
akala nyo maaga pa. Alas 7 na, guys. Alas 7 na, guys. Alas 7 na. Dami nila, guys. Oh. They are chilling there. Why so very payat? The other one. She's so payat. It's so payat. Payat na sila, guys. Why? O baka kapanganak lang yan. And also have 3 or 2 near in the house. Darariran. Darariran. 7:40 na, guys. Pero may araw pa rin. Kasi alas 9:30 pa dito magbaba ang araw, mag-sunset. Only wonder. Look at that.
The noise from the YouTube.
Yeah. Buntis siya. Ay, hindi pala. Para siyang buntis. Like a rainbow. We're watching, guys. We're almost there. And our house. Ay, bakit si Daniel nandoon pa? My gulay. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you for watching. It's a nice walk tonight. My husband is still there. Layak niya, oh.
Guys, not pila
Wow.
is Israel.
Supper tonight. Mashed potato, guys, and the broccoli. And the roast beef. Look at that, guys. Ay. My goodness. Hala. Look at that, guys. Okay. Maybe Sir Mike eat that later. Daniel is done already eating. Okay. Saan naman po minang laag, guys? Ha? Lahit naman po din nga lugar, guys. Saan naman po minang laag? Tugnaw kay, guys. Still cold. Balik niya yan sa nina.
It's not aware that we're in a psychiatry hospital.
Ha?
That's a psychiatry department.
Ayan. MRI Center. Psychiatry. Also. sila pag maglakad. Lakad sila. Saan na yung iba? Wala yung iba.
can walk here. It's dirt.
We are in the river. At the human rights there. Human rights there. Asper. Institute Asper. Pilido ko pa yan nandyan guys. Asper. Kulang lang ng C para maging Casper. Oy, 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 oy. Nanganak na ng isa. Na sila'y gamay na anak.
For a little bit.
Hospital yan guys. Hospital. Ganda guys. Ang dami nila. May anak na sila. Look at that. The bridge. Okay. Dati guys, nasa taas ako ng hospital. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa labas. And look at the bridge and the human rights. We're here again. But different time. Last year we're here. At very noon. Very sunny. Look at the human rights guys. And bridge. Oh, bridge guys. We're almost near at the St. Boniface Cathedral. Dariraran. Daran. Lasang pa dari guys. Wala pa yung mga dahon. Almost June na. Lit ngayon nagkaroon ng mga dahon. Iba ang weather. Da-da-da-dang.
Wow.
Da-da-da-dang. Human rights building. Why? It's look like apartment. Da-da-da-dang. Da-da-da-dang. I take a video. Da-da-da-dang. May mga bolak guys. Soon there's a flower soon. St. Boniface Cathedral. Remember, personal with Amen. Scary guys. So scary. Look at the river and the tower here and the and the human rights there. The river. The river. You can walk. You walk. Matay ka guys. Nakakahilo man guys. Para kang ilipad. I feel dizzy, my dad are very near guys in the downtown. And look at the human rights. Now it's so big. Human rights building. And look at the shade of the color. Now it's color lavender. 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 It's lavender. Color lavender. Tududang. Sure na yan guys ha. Masyado na kami malapit na sa likod na kami guys. Tududang. Human rights. Okay. Walk. There's a fountain here. There's a fountain here. There's a fountain here. And there's more. And this side. Okay. Guess what guys, where we are now? We are in the Great Trail of the parks. The parks market. You are here, Canadian Museum for Human Rights. It's so big. This one guys, it means the water. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will take a picture of you.
May ilaw na siya guys. May light na ang name ng Winnipeg. Welcome to the Winnipeg Kennedy in at the parks. Harariran, harariran, harariran. Haririran, haririran. Berhangin guys. Welcome to the Philippines.
After we changed it.
In at the parks guys. And the Winnipeg signboard. Welcome to the Winnipeg guys. Nice guys because there is a light. Sarap maglaag-laag guys kay walay init. Wow. Hindi nakakasawa dito. Ibin mga pato dari guys, nagdit-dit jud sila. Look at this. Look at this one. Oh, diba? Dit-dit yan sila. Enjoy the view guys. Enjoy the view. Enjoy the view, guys.
Should we take a taxi?
Yeah, it's up to you. We're already in the box, guys. We go inside. Go inside. And there's a program earlier. Look at the Johnston Terminal. Johnston Terminal. There's people.